Hello, thank you for finding our video tips for decorating with Airy rugs. My name is Mike. I'm with bestrugprices.com, and what you're looking at is the front page of our website. You can find us at bestrugprices.com. And this video is a little bit of a promo about our site and kind of the things that we do on our site that can help you decorate your home. On our site, we have our main page, which is dedicated to Airy rugs. We have specials every month. This month, we're doing a special on Moroccan Airy rugs, and our site is very simple to use. We have it separated by style and size, and then we do, like I said, a special in the summertime. We're doing outdoor rugs as a special, but it's a very easy site to maneuver around. We have plush rugs and traditional rugs here, as I just float around here, solid area rugs, southwestern area rugs, natural rugs, oriental. If you don't want to shop by style of rug and you know exactly what size you want, you can do that too. We have it all separated out by sizes, and it's really easy to maneuver around. So I certainly invite you to our site at bestrugprices.com. The other thing that we do on our site is a couple things. We have a Be Floored blog. So if you're looking for some ideas for decorating your home with floor covering, we have all kind of articles on our site for inspiration. We have product review questions. We do articles on budgeting, on how to save you the most money. Just a wealth of information on our site and blog articles. The other part of our site that we just started, it's called Ask the Flooring Pro. And I'll switch over to that page real quick. But basically what we're doing, we get asked floor covering questions every single day. And it could be questions about products, and it could be questions about care and maintenance tips or budgeting. You name it, we get asked a question. So what we're doing is we're taking questions that we get asked, and we're making little videos about them. So our goal here is that you could use this page, Ask the Flooring Pro, as a resource tool for yourself. So if you have a question that you need to get an answer on, you can submit a question to us and we'll do a video about it. Likewise, if you scan through our videos and you see your topic come up, like for this one, does vinyl plank flooring look cheap? We honestly get that question. Then we're going to have a video right here about it, and that you could watch and get your answer real quick and see what our opinion is on the matter. So we just, in this particular category, like I said, we just started. We got, as you can see here, 11 videos now, and we add probably 2 or 3 videos every single week. So that's our site, bestrugprices.com. I'll switch back to the main page here. But if you are in need of an area rug, you're looking to decorate your home, you're looking for some inspiration ideas on what types of rugs to get, it's probably one of the easiest sites that is online. And we have some great deals, great prices, and we would love for you to come visit us and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.